Hi students. Welcome to the class of 18CS51, that is Management Entrepreneurship for IT Industry. So we are in first module and the last topic it is last video in this first module, that is staffing. So staffing is the third function of the management. As we discussed earlier, management is having five functions, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So total five functions are there. So staffing is the third function. So the function of staffing, generally the staffing is nothing but filling the people for the suitable position in the organization. So filling and keeping filled various positions in the organization structure. It means that, see, for example, a person is resigning. When the vacancy is there, they have to fill that particular vacancy position with the other person who is having the knowledge about that particular area, in the particular area. So that is nothing but staffing. So this includes identifying workforce requirement, okay, where and all we require the people in the organization, and inventorying the people available. We have to identify that where the people are available, and we have to recruit them through selecting the people. Selecting, placing, training, promoting, appraisal, everything will come under the staffing. So important of staffing is staffing ensures higher productivity by placing the right man in the right job. It is the main important thing in the staffing. So we have to select a right person for the right job. So when we are identifying there is a position in the organization, then when the HR people are recruiting when they want to recruit the people and filling the position, then they have to identify the right person for this particular position. And also staffing helps to avoid disruption of production schedule due to shortage of staff, because when there is a demand for the product, the staff should be more. When the staff number is coming down, then automatically the production also will come down. So production schedule should not disturb. For that, staffing will plays major role. It helps to prevent under utilization of personnel through overman and reduces cost of production. So whenever they are identifying the correct people for the correct position, then the cost of production also will come down. And also staffing identifies talented and competent people and places them in the correct position. So the correct knowledge people for the correct position, if they recruit and give that particular thing, then it will be good. And also trains the people whenever they required the training, and training required, then the HR people will identify that the gap, and they will give the training also to the employees. And recruitment also is the process in the staffing. So recruitment is nothing but identifying sources for the prospective candidates and stimulates them in the job. That is the process of attracting employees to the company. So recruitment is the process of recruiting the people to the suitable job. So before the process of recruitment, the management should have proper plan and number of employees to be recruited. So how many employees required for our organization, which positions it is, okay, how many people we need to invite for the interview, everything they have to identify. The qualification of employees also important, and the time also important for the recruitment process. So the recruitment process and the involved even cost also, because it is not so easy to recruit the people, quality people. So some cost will be involved in this particular thing. So in budget itself they will give that recruitment budget will be there, some recruitment budget. So for the conduction of interviews, for those things and all, they will give some amount for this. Okay, so not depend on the size of the enterprise. If the enterprise, that the organization is very big organization, then automatically the cost will be more for the recruitment of the people filling the positions. Source of recruitment. The source of recruitment can be broadly classified into two categories. One is internal source, second one is external source. So internal source, generally the internal source is nothing but whenever a person is, for example, a manager is resigning, they are identifying that there is a vacancy of manager in a particular marketing manager, for example. So internal source is nothing but whomever they are there in the next level, they can give promotion and they can keep him as manager. that is nothing but internal source, one of the internal source. Okay, so internal source involves transfer and promotion. Transfer involves the shifting of an employee from a lower job to the next level job, generally one job to another job. Many companies follow the practice of filling higher jobs by promoting employees who are considering fit for such positions, because the people who are working from various days, like number of years, more years, and they are showing their faithness, believeness, everything towards to the company, then the company may believe them and they may give opportunity through giving the promotion to them. Next, filling higher positions by promotion motivates employees, boost employees morale. So whenever they are promoting the people to the next level, then the employee also will be very happy, because the company is identifying for their work, and they will be very happy. And external source. So the external source is direct recruitment, like there will be no way related to the company and there will be new recruitment. So that recruitment we will call as the direct recruitment. So an important source of recruitment is direct recruitment. By placing a notice or releasing any newspaper advertisement or anything, we will give the advertisement and we will invite for the people to apply for the vacancy positions. Unsolicited applications. Many qualified persons apply for employment to reputed companies on their own initiative. Such applications are known as unsolicited applications. It means that the people like whomever they are completing their engineering, simply they will apply to the company, though there is no there is no recruitment, there is no vacancy. These people will simply apply. So those resumes and all they will keep separately. Whenever it is required, then they will call for the interview. And also advertising. So through providing advertising also they will invite the people to apply for the positions. And employment agency. Now big organizations, they will not recruit directly, they will give to the third party to do the complete process of getting the people, providing the training, everything. So ready to do the job, like that they will give this job to the third level employees, that is employment agencies, that is third party we will call. And selection after recruitment, like when they are identifying the places, positions, everything, and when they are giving the information to the people, then the selection process will start. In the selection process, the criteria will be there. It may be related to the education, it may be related to the skills, cut off the marks, everything will be there in the selection criteria. In the same way, the application form they will give, in that they will mention about the qualifications, specialization, how many years of experience, what is your gender, whether you are married or not, marital status, personal interest, everything they will ask, and they will collect the information. Based on that, they scrutinize the resumes. So screening or scrutinizing the interview, like how they screen is, like those who are selected for the basis of application, whomever they're applying to the company. So the initial screening will be there. So this initial screening, this interview is the most important. There only they will eliminate many people for the further rounds. And employment test will be there. They may give like some types of the aptitude test, are related to the reasoning or vocabulary, and related to the communication, to check the communication, personality test, everything they will conduct basically. And group discussion. So nowadays, like some of the companies, they are while recruiting, like before finalizing, they are even conducting group discussion also, to check the leadership qualities and interpersonal skills, and whether they are able to speak or not, their presentation skills, communication skills, everything. For the checking of all these things, they are doing even group discussion also. Okay. And one more thing is like references. If the candidate is found satisfactory in the above test, like whenever they are completing everything, they may get some important persons for the reference, because in the future they should not go without giving any information to the company. So what they do is they will ask some reference of any higher position people. And medical or physical examination also, for some type of interviews, some type of positions, they required even these things also. And the final interview they will conduct with the human resource manager or somebody they will do, and they will give the complete information to them about the working hours, about the transportation, about the number of leaves available, the salary package, everything they discuss in the final interview. And after completing that, they will release the appointment order. And this is the process for this. That is external environment, like how the recruitment and selection process will be there in the external environment. External environment, everything will be there, and internal environment, generally how it will be like, they will they will give the promotion, they will give the promotion, and they will keep that particular position. They are filling the particular position with the lower level people through giving the promotion. And the preliminary interview will be there, selection test will be there, employment interview will be there, reference and background check will be there, selection decision will be there, physical examination, job offer, employment contract, and evaluation. After completing this, even they provide, if they required, even they provide the training also to the people who are recruiting. Okay, this is about the staffing.